How we doing today, people? It's your boy Yankee Man back with another video. And today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Vlogcast Studio foldable phone stand with LED ring light. This product is by Merkury. I reviewed a few things by them before, and they kind of hit and miss. But I saw this little deal. I thought it was good for vloggers on the go, people that vlog and travel a lot. And I decided to check it out and let you guys know what I thought about it. As you can see, it has 3 color modes. What is this? 10 brightness level, 6-inch ring light. Okay. As you can see right here in this picture here, showing you how it's compact. It's foldable design. Alright, real quick around the box, show you the different color modes. Universal fits most phones. We'll see. I carry a note, I also have a note, but my daily driver is the Fold 3, so not very practical, but we'll see. Has a remote, light up, there's color mode, brightness down, power off and on. Okay. Shows you how adjustable it is. Alright, let's open it up and check it out. Hope everybody's doing well this evening. Or, well, for me it's 11 p.m. on a Sunday night. Strangely, the weather was kind of warm earlier, and supposed to be warmer tomorrow. But by Wednesday, it's supposed to be snowing. So, if you're not familiar with Texas weather, look it up. All right, let's see what we got. That's everything. Okay, that's it. That's all in the box. Instructions. I don't think I need these. I'm gonna flip it over and take a peek here. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Alright, so let's see. Just lift up. Let's see if I can zoom back a little bit. Okay, y'all, I hope that's a little bit better, so you can see the entire piece. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Very adjustable. Let me see here. So yeah. Oh, that's funny. So yeah, not gonna work with the fold. Let me see something. I thought you might be able to. Oh, these are cool. These spring back. Also, for when you fold it down. Okay. And there's the back of it. Alright. Let's see how easy it is to. Oh, that was easy. Pick it up from there. Oh, look, the neck is adjustable. Oh, that's nice. Okay. See, I don't, for me, with my channel, I don't do a lot of vlogging where I'm looking right into the camera and talking about, you know, whatever. So, but I can get into it. I have a lot of useless tech info. But this is cool. This is real cool. I paid about $10 for it from Walmart. Let's see, let's light it up. little juice. So might not want to look right into the video. I don't know how bright this is gonna be. Oh, it's pretty bright. So different light settings. Let's see. Okay, that's the dimmer. Oh no. Wait a minute. That was the dimmer. Okay, so then you make it brighter. Let's see here. So the plus and minus is the dimmer, or make it bright. And then in the middle, you change the light settings. I think this is the one most people use. This is the light settings most people use for vlogging. I believe it's called warm. Let me see. Yeah, I was right. Warm white. So it's not too bright, but it's still bright enough to give your face a little glow. You know what I mean? But this definitely made for practical phones. Let me see, just for the hell of it. I'll put it on there anyway. So yeah, so the fold's gonna block out most of your light. Well, I guess if I fold it, there you go. Perfect. This is cool. This is real cool. Change the brightness. I like it. Definitely worth the $10. Like I said, most people that vlog, you know, you have a camera set up at home. This is for that vlogger on the go, or maybe you want to vlog your vacation, or I don't know, a day at work or whatever the case may be. This is definitely for you. And another thing, even has a mirror right here. You can see how you look before you go live. Make sure you ain't got no buggers. Alright. Pieces, even though they look like it's clicking easy, they stick. Even with a phone as heavy as mine, you see it still didn't flinch. You know. Let's see what it stick. Yeah, even in a hole like that. It's damn near vertical. That's cool. I've had some cheap vlogging equipment before. But for $10, this exceeds my expectations by far. Pretty long cord. You can't tell. That's long. Let's see. I didn't want this video to go too long, but oh yeah, yeah. It's at least 4 feet. That's nice. And as you can see, I use it with my portable charger, but it's USB powered, so you can stick it on a laptop, Xbox, PlayStation, anything that supports USB 3.0. For those that don't know, 3.0 mean that it pushes out power as well. Because there are some USB ports I discovered that either don't push out power or don't push out enough power. So, but yeah, 3.0. That's cool. Let's drop it down. Just like that. It's compact. Nice. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that. What I wish would have been a shorter video, but like I said, I want to make sure I covered all corners of it. Give me that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. If you have subscribed, turn that notification. Share this video with a fellow vlogger or somebody interested in getting into vlogging. Let them know your Instant Man got all kind of videos for them. Alright. Don't forget to drop your comments and questions below. I'm out.